Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Hump Day Dawg Call, the show that does not talk about Georgia Bulldogs, but the Springdale Bulldogs. On today's show, our special guest is not related to Kirby Smart, so please welcome in Jeremy Price. Welcome in, Jeremy. All right, so are you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
All right, here's your first question. What inspired you to coach at the school?
Well, I'm a third-generation basketball coach.
Wow.
So it runs in the family, and I graduated from here in 1999.
Wow.
And, played basketball here for 3 years.
Wow.
And, so it's this is a special place, and I was very fortunate to be able to come back to my alma mater and be the head basketball coach.
Wow, and let me tell you, that is unbelievable, and it's even better than Coach Eric Musselman.
Well, I wouldn't say that. He had a big night last night.
Yeah. So, next question. How many years have you coached basketball?
Oh, I think this is I'm losing track. Maybe 16th or 17th, and this is my 7th year as the head coach here at Springdale.
Yeah, and I know old folks can lose their brains a little bit. All right, next question. I've heard that through the grapevine that you used to play basketball with my uncle in high school. Give me the backstory behind it.
Yep, John, Steven, and I go way back. We played baseball growing up.
Wow.
Played basketball here at Southwest Junior High first, and then here at Springdale High School. A good friend of mine. He was a great teammate and an ultra competitor.
Oh yeah. So, next question. How is the 2022 season coming along?
Well, we're currently on a win streak. I think we've won 5 in a row in conference play.
Wow!
Coming off a big win to our rivals on the other side of town, and so we're in a good place currently. But we've got our work cut out for us. We've got a tough road ahead to finish out our season. All
right, last question. What are some of the goals you have for the conference?
Well, we want to kind of keep doing what we're doing, continue to prepare properly, and stay hungry. If we do that, we ought to finish strong.
Thank you, Jeremy, for your time, and that's going to wrap things up for the first episode of the Hump Day Dawg Call. If you like today's show, join us next week for the Hump Day Dawg Call. And remember, every day is a good day to be a Springdale Bulldog. Yeah!